Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically download a presentation template on Canva and how you can basically download it and edit it on PowerPoint. So I'm just going to open templates and I'll find a few of these templates. For instance, I want to use let's say this one. And I'm going to customize this template. So I'll select it. And then I'm going to just press share and go to download and select the file type as a Microsoft PowerPoint document. I'm just going to do one page to show you guys. Then I'm going to press download here. Just waiting for that to load. Okay, I'm going to open the file. Oh. Where did that save to? Here? I think so. Sorry, I'm like scrolling right now on my left monitor because I'm trying to find the file. Okay, it's this one. So I'm just going to right click and I'm going to open with PowerPoint. Oh, okay, sorry. Oh, and then as you can see, you can select enable editing, and now you can edit the PowerPoint, the presentation on PowerPoint. That is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!